Okay, so for the contact me pages, we are going to kind of make a square border. So first we will create this rectangle, and then we will go to the pen somewhere in between, and I'm going to make some triangles. So once you have made your vector, just write done. And if possible, like for convenient, just add some color to it. Now go to this vector, right click, copy, and then paste it. So you now have two vectors, and instead of drawing it again and again, we are just going to paste it somewhat like this. And this, so you can give a different color to this vector. Select vector 1 and rearrange it. Yeah, so similarly you can create other vectors as well, like this, and then add this to the image. Now to create this kind of vector, I'll go to the pen first, and I'll select this way and done. So I'll also fill some color in this. Okay, and for this vector also, I will first have to rotate it like this, and then I have to rotate it like this to fit inside this. Then increase the dimension. So yeah, we have done this. Also fill some other color here. Now this vector is a bit misaligned, so just adjust it. Okay, now this vector 4, I guess. I'll copy this, I'll paste it over here, and I'll just turn it over to fit here. Okay, and then I'll just reduce the size, and I'll give it some other color. Okay, and I think still the size isn't reduced, so yeah, again I'll paste it, return it over once and twice to fit into this. So okay, here we go. Now we'll just try to align this with our rectangle. Okay, I still see that okay, so this is also aligned, and I'll paste another one. Simply will rotate it like this. Okay, no, just like this, and add it over here. Again, I have to align this. Click on vector 8 and try to align this until you get a red mark. Also align this until you get a red mark. So, and I think we can, okay, I'll also try to change the color of this. Okay, so now that we have made a rectangle, now I have created one more rectangle. I will place it like this, and then I will move it to the back, and then I'll select all the figures that I have to unmask, rectangle and the rectangle that is behind, and then you have to select unmask. So once you have unmasked it, hide hide the fill, but before that add the stroke and hide the fill, and then just increase the length of the stroke. Yeah, so now you have 30. Select the whole mask group and adjust it wherever you can. You can also now increase the size of it, and inside this we can write the contact. So now I'll just change the color of these vectors to the color palette that I'm using. So now I have changed the colors as per the command palette, and now we are going to insert the contact me details. So I'll just position this contact me. I've also added some mini description. Just click on the don't be shy and contact me and rearrange it. Now I would just want to add some emojis. So for that we can go, let's say we have Twitter. Click on this Twitter and you get some icons. Okay, I want this one. I'll go to the image and I'll paste it, and also I'll rearrange it. Similarly, I'll add other icons as well. So now I've added the LinkedIn, Twitter, and the GitHub icon. Now what I want is, I want it like in a card format. So I'll draw one more rectangle. Like this. I'll fill it with a lighter color. So this one. And this is rectangle 8, and I'll just send it to the back. And now I'll just increase the size, whatever feels suitable for you. Maybe the color should be more lighter, or I just feel that the text is not arranged properly. So I can do this. You can also lock a layer. So once you lock, you won't be able to select those components. Yeah, so that was it for the Figma portfolio website design. I hope you like it.